Loan management encompasses the processes and strategies involved in handling various aspects of lending, including loan origination, approval, disbursement, servicing, and collection. Snab Business is a comprehensive app designed to streamline the management of your loan transactions and generate digital reports for shopkeepers, particularly focusing on loan register management. The app features an array of functionalities. To add a loan transaction, open Snab Business and sign up using your email. Go to the drawer menu and click on Loan Register. Click on Add Loan. Enter the details with the date. Choose the loan type, lend or borrow. Click Payment A's and enter the details. Finally, click on Add. Snab Business have some more features. Sales management tools allow for seamless tracking of daily transactions. Purchases management keeps records of all incoming goods. Expense management helps businesses monitor their outflows. The app also includes a calendar for events. The integration of AI features further enhances the app's functionality. Invoice management is streamlined, with the app generating professional invoices. Supplier management ensures that all interactions with suppliers are logged. Snab making it an indispensable tool for businesses looking to optimize their operations. The calculation problem solver ensures accurate financial computations, preventing errors and enhancing reliability, which enables shopkeepers to meticulously track loan disbursements and repayments. Download now Snab Business.